captain, business leaders, entrepreneurs and stakeholders from various parts of the country, as well as from our state Odisha, ladies and gentlemen, एवं मोर अति प्रिय ओडिशार भाई और भौणी माने नमस्कार। गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम टू ओडिशा, वेलकम टू द लैंड ऑफ लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ। I welcome you all to the inauguration session of Utkarsh Odisha Make in Odisha Conclave 2025। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आज हमारे लिए गर्व और गौरव की बात है कि आपकी कर कमल से आज की ये दिव्य और भव्य समारोह की शुभारंभ हो रहा है। आपकी ये सदैव उपस्थित हमारे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है। ये आपकी ओडिशा और ओडिशा के लोगों के लिए प्यार की निशानी है। पिछले 7 महीने में ये आपकी 5वां आगमन है। हर बार ओडिशा के लिए कुछ ना कुछ सौगात लेके आए हैं। इस बार तो आप इतनी बड़ी सौगात लाए हैं कि अगले कुछ महीने में राज्य की विकास की दशा और दिशा ही बदल जाएगी। 7 महीने पहले पूर्वोदय की जो नींव आपने रखे थे, आज उसी नींव के ऊपर एक मजबूत ढांचा निर्माण होने जा रहा है। इसलिए हम सब आपके प्रति बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं। सर, your presence on this conclave will instill a sense of confidence among the investors and business community to not only invest in the state but also confidence to stay invested in the long run. Dear guests and delegates, Odisha is not only the land of opportunities, soon it is going to be the driving engine of the country, especially in eastern India, as part of Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Purvodaya. The state has ultimate potential right from a rich and wide variety of natural resources, impressive roads, rail and port infrastructure, decent air connectivity including direct flights to important business destinations like Dubai, Singapore, skilled workforce, a peaceful social fabric, a stable and forward-looking government, and above all, industry-friendly policies. As a precursor to these events, I have visited countries' business hubs like Delhi and Mumbai as well as Singapore to explore opportunities. I can now see the result of that interactions and the confidence you have reposed to come and invest in Odisha. Just a week ago, we had the privilege to welcome the Honorable President of Singapore and sign 8 transformative MOUs with the leading Singaporean entities. Under the visionary leadership and guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister, Odisha is ready to claim its rightful place under the sun. We realize that more than 24 states in the country are vying to attract investments, which is great for Indian economy. We are fully geared to work an extra mile to make your lives a little easier with decisions like single window clearance, doing away with unnecessary and avoidable documentation. The government is ready to work 3 steps if you chose to work half a step. There is also a strong focus on development of world-class industrial infrastructure. We are setting up plug-and-play industrial parks, including new FDI parks in the state, along with sectoral parks for technical textiles, food processing, aluminium, and MSME parks across all the 30 districts. My government is ensuring that the benefit of industrialization also reaches the hinterlands through a strategic focus on geographical and sectoral diversification. Regions like Malkangiri, Rayagada, and Keonjhar, historically underserved, are now emerging as focal points for sectors such as food processing, textiles, and renewable energy. Every part of the state offers some kind of opportunities. We invite you all to take advantage of this ultimate opportunity on the offer. Dear investors, we would like to have a diversity portfolio along with mining and metallurgy sectors. We would like to have your interest and investment in the fields of chemicals and petrochemicals, green hydrogen, IT services, textiles, pharmaceuticals, and metal downstream industries, all aligned with the global growth trends. You will be happy to note that in order to ensure continuous supply of skilled workforce, our government has implemented Skill in Odisha initiative. We are equipping our youth with new age skills for emerging industries like semiconductors, advanced manufacturing, and ITES, so that industry-ready trained manpower are ready to enter into the labor market. In short, I extend you all a warm welcome and invite with open arms. Come and invest in Odisha. Be a part of the growth story of Odisha. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपके समर्थन और दूरदृष्टि से हम 2036 तक समृद्ध ओडिशा बना रहे हैं। देश को तृतीय सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था बनाने की जो आपकी प्राण है, इस यज्ञ में ओडिशा की भी विशेष योगदान रहेगा। ओडिशा का औद्योगिक विकास न केवल इसी राज्य के लिए बल्कि पूरे भारत के लिए प्रगति के एक मॉडल के रूप में कार्य करेगा। With these words, I welcome you all to this Utkarsh Odisha Make in Odisha conclave. Come, invest in Odisha because this is the right time. यही समय है, सही समय है। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद। वंदे उत्कल जननी।